Okay, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. These two are just resins, but I figured I'd show you what I get sometimes. This one is just Pro-Marine, their regular tabletop epoxy. I like to use this for a lot of my molds because it's less expensive and works fine for the molds and goes a lot further because I ordered this in the 2-gallon kit. So a lot of the time when you see me doing a mold, this is what you're going to see me using. All of my trays that take up quite a lot, my bigger molds, I get this because it's simply less expensive. I order that directly from the supplier. This one I ordered from Amazon. It was shipped from a third-party seller, so somebody who does this brand. I don't even remember what brand it is. It was just something different I found to try. I believe the heat rating and everything on this is pretty comparable to the Pro-Marine, so. But I figured I'd just try something different. It's called Super Clear. Again, I like to try different things once in a while. This company, FGCI, Fiberglass Coatings Incorporated, has a ton of variety of resins. This is tinted blue. A lot of the companies are switching to doing this, so you don't pour and then forget which you mixed, because so many of us are mixing in 1 cup now. A lot of the brands are doing that now, the 2 separate colors. It'll still mix clear, it won't make a difference. But if you are wondering why it has that bluish purple tint, that's why. Tons of companies are doing that. I'll probably read this, but I'll probably just mix it the way I do all of my resins because that's just easier for me. And this is just a couple of molds I ordered. I told you guys if you follow my affiliate links, I get a percentage of that. It doesn't cost you more to follow my links. It just gives me a percentage of that sale. I take that percentage in a gift card. So, and when I get enough, I will order a couple of molds. So that is what I did here. I spent the money from you guys, from using my links to buy molds. So let's see what we got. Just gonna take it all out of the box first. So this is another turtle. It's a like trinket tray, but a bigger one. It's got a little bit of shape to the shell, but you fill it from the back, and then this is a little tray. So I thought that was cute because I like all things turtles. This one is like an artist palette. It can either be made into a wall piece, or it can actually be used for putting paints on. My hair's already sticking to it. But it does have the little finger slot once it's poured, and you can put your colors on there and actually have a functional piece of art. I think I'm going to do this one with some flowers soon. This one's from Pixis. This is some little trinket boxes with lids, I believe. I think there's 3 in here. These are the lids. And I'm going to make sure I pour the right side of the lids. There's a little hexagon, a little heart, and a square. So, just little jewelry boxes. Or trinket boxes, whatever. I think it goes that way, though. I don't know. I really don't know which side I pour for the top, so I'm going to have to make sure I do that right. But that's that. And then there is this big one, which I am pretty excited about. This one's going to take a ton of resin, but it is a moon and star shelf. You pour the back, and then you have 3 little spaces, and it can sit. So those are the 4, well actually 6 new molds I got to try out for you guys. So I will get some projects together, figure out how I want to fill these, what I want to fill them with, and I will get going on some of these shortly.